Lecture number 22, aldol condensation, the extension of aldol condensation. In the last lecture, we have seen what is aldol condensation, uska, then actually what is the statement, which all reactants will give aldol condensation. So it is given by the compounds which contain a alpha hydrogen. अभी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन का मतलब वी सॉ फंक्शनल ग्रुप को जो कार्बन है दैट इज द अल्फा कार्बन, उसको जो हाइड्रोजन है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. सो अभी ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. सो दिस इज द अल्फा कार्बन. अल्फा कार्बन को जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. एंड रिएक्शन इज गिवन बाय द अल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स व्हिच कंटेन, वो जो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है वो एसिडिक है नेचर में, हेंस it will give this reaction. Okay, now the next part of it, what do you mean by cross aldol condensation? Cross aldol condensation का मतलब क्या? See, when we had taken the two molecules of the same, that is acetaldehyde के two molecules reacting with each other or acetone के two molecules reacting with each other, so that was called as self aldol. Last lecture में we had seen the reactions, they were of self aldol condensation. Now क्रॉस aldol का मतलब क्या? When two different aldehydes, like we have taken over here the example of two different aldehydes, or यहाँ पे two different ketones, or one is a aldehyde other is a ketone, or you can have one compound which do not contain alpha hydrogen and the other compound which contains alpha hydrogen. तो ये सभी these are called as cross aldol condensation. What are they called as? They are called as cross aldol condensation. अभी in these reactions आपको एक ही product नहीं मिलेगा. You will get the mixture of the products because you will consider अभी इसका alpha hydrogen, once you consider this, the other time you consider इसका alpha hydrogen, so you will get total 4 different products. अभी इसका सेल्फ अल्डोल होगा, इसका सेल्फ अल्डोल होगा, these are the two different products, and once you consider इसका अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, other you consider उसका अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, so these are the two different products, hence in this reaction you get 4 different products, except ये reaction में you will get 100% of the yield because इसमें you are not going to get a mixture, इसमें because formaldehyde doesn't contain alpha hydrogen, that is the reason. Fine. So that is cross aldol condensation. Next we go for what is the mechanism of aldol condensation. Abhi when we go for the mechanism, as you we say that the reaction takes place in the presence of a strong base. तो base का OH लिया, it is reacting with the alpha hydrogen because it is acidic in nature and it forms a enolate ion. It is a nucleophile. See बाकी सभी reactions में you get either a free radical or you get a electrophile or like you get a carbocation which is formed. In this mechanism you get a nucleophile which is generated in the reaction. So in the next step that nucleophile reacts with the second molecule of acetaldehyde and then see what happens. अभी ये कार्बोनिल जो ग्रुप है it has got a plus minus charge. वो इनोलेट आयन है जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है, that attacks the carbon and then the oxygen, the electrons they are forwarded to the oxygen atom. The oxygen atom acquires a negative charge, that is your step number 2, and then उसके बाद in the presence of water again it will abstract a proton and OH minus is separated. First step में मैंने OH लिया, last step में OH separate हो गया, hence our mechanism is right. So this is the mechanism of aldol condensation, and aldol condensation is very important from your exam point of view. Okay, that's all. Then we proceed in the next lecture.